All right, I have a legitimate question to ask Apex because I have multiple strategies. Some are longer term than others. I want to be able to trade a long position in one account with one strategy and potentially short on another strategy that has a smaller stop loss area in a different account. So I would be long in one account, short in the other, but not at the same time and not for mischievous reasons. Let me show you what I mean. I'm long right now in one of my accounts because I have a Fibonacci pintail strategy. If price comes back 50% of a move up and creates a pintail like it did right here, I want to go long and I want my stop loss to be underneath the pintail. All I'm looking for is a 1-to-1 on it. But in the meantime, I have a moving average momentum strategy where if everything's coming down, for instance, here on the 15-minute chart also, with the moving averages, you can see everything gapped at the open and everything, all the moving averages are pointing down. This could easily roll this way. And I'm looking to capture the profit down to the pivot level. That would be my target because my stop loss is underneath that. I'm not trying to, get both sides of the market here. I'm just trying to exercise great setup opportunities with different strategies that happen to be showing themselves. The pintail strategy is got more room. It's got $123 stop loss. Some of these other strategies like the moving average strategy would probably be a $30, $40 stop loss. So this would be a $125 stop loss. And if I wanted to go short, I'll have to see the setup, of course, and it hasn't happened yet because I was waiting for it to break below this box. It almost did, and then it went right back up. So I would want to see it, and I got all my rules written down in my notes here of why I would take each trade. I've got my moving average strategies notes. I got my Fibonacci rules, 5-minute rules. I got different 3-bar reversal techniques that I would like, and I've got all my pictures and stuff. For instance, Fibonacci right here. There's different ways I would do the Fibonacci, and one of them, I don't know why the pintail one's not in here. Fibonacci Fib pintail is kind of like my latest idea here, and we're working on that. My notes right here, why I'm getting in it, and what chart I'm using and where my stop loss is and everything for my notes for today. But I need to know if I can do that with Apex. I need to know if it's okay to take a long in one account, a short in the other, if it's based on rules, excellent stop loss, money management strategies, and they're just two different directions. And I'm hoping to win on both of them. My goal, honestly, is not to take a loss. My goal would be to capture and move, say, 50% of this somewhere down in this area, let it roll down here, and then come back up because I still believe. I'm not trying to say that I don't believe in the pintail strategy. I do. I think there's a good chance this is going to go right up and fill that gap. But if I see a setup on my moving average strategy where everything looks like it's going down on my tick charts, the larger tick charts, and 5-minute, 15-minute, 5,000, and my entry right 250. If it were to break down here and come up and roll, I'm gonna get short right there and write it down for a 1-to-1 profit. So again, not trying to make this video long. Can I do that if it's based on strategies and rules and good money management? Please let me know.